I'm at Loretta Lynn's today, and in semi-stock I got first place. In production it was hard for me, and in 50 open I got third place, and I got spun out and I moved back to fifth position. I want to thank the Natalie Experience and my mom and dad. Today, and in semi-stock I got first place. Oh, chair broke, and I fell down. hard because of the bumps, and on this one whoop, there's this uphill that I taste, and it's hard out there.
Well, you've got some sponsors you want to thank here today?
Yeah. FTO Power Sports, Motor World, Fly Racing, my pap, my man, my mom and dad, and Natalie Experience.
Well, it sounds like he's got that all practiced up. So great job.